Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I'll be sharing two videos with you in this film. One's a vaillant boiler which has got a leak on it, and the other one is a Worcester Bosch which has ignition issues. Now this is an on the job video. Hopefully you enjoy it, and if you do enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So on this one we got an automatic air relief valve or automatic vent, whatever you want to call it. It's leaking. It's supposed to let air out, but unfortunately it's letting a lot of water out with it. That's the main reason of the water leak. So we can't repair that. We're gonna have to change it, and as you've seen it, it's in a bad shape. Getting it out was quite difficult. Putting a new one in was another mission. So I've isolated the boiler, and I'm just gonna drain. I've drained the system down. Now I'm just gonna unclip it and take the old one out. Now I thought I drained all the water out by now, but I guess I was wrong. There's still a bit of water in the system. I even loosened the pipe on the expansion vessel to let some air in so the water can circulate out, but it didn't work. Right, I managed to get the old one out. I'm just going to put the new one in now. The old one was a bit difficult to take out. Just needed a screwdriver to yank it out. But the new one, because there's no space in there, and normally I use something to as a leverage to press things down. There's no leverage on this, so it's just a hand job, or well, couldn't even use long nose pliers or any kind of pliers to push the air relief valve down. So it was quite difficult. So I had to use my hands, and there was a bit of water in there as I was pushing it up. So it took me a bit of a time. It's been leaking so long that look at the state of the toilet paper. Right, just gonna fill up the system now, and hopefully no more problems or no more leaks and no more issues. Right, I filled up the system. I'm just testing out the central heating, checking for any leaks, and if it's working fine. Everything looks fine on this now. We're going to move on to the next job now. Guys, I've sorted the automatic air vent on this, and it's working fine now. No more leaks on it. And all those of you guys who were saying that I'm taking only easy jobs, and that was hard, man. Anyway, Birmingham Boiler Fix. Now on this one, it's a Worcester Bosch. We couldn't even get it to fire it up, so we sorted that out, got it to fire it up. There was more issues on it. Carry on watching and see how we sorted and fixed this boiler. Topped it up for my second round. So we're checking if the gas valve's opening or not. Yeah. So I've isolated from underneath. There, that's the gas pipe is isolated. So let's see if it fires up and this goes to zero. You okay for standing there? See, that's gone to zero. That means the gas valve is opening up, that's fine, yeah? So it comes down to these babies here. Sparkies and spark generator. Done. You done it?
Yes.
Bad boy.
Look at it. Crawled you up, man.
Is it?
Oh, she's like that. The colour.
Yeah. Do you think I should put them leads as well?
Huh?
So we done all diagnosis yesterday, and the conclusion was this spark electrodes are faulty. The problem is I can't see anything wrong with them. They look okay, but they weren't sparking. But the lead, I tested that yesterday and the lead's working fine. The gas valve is opening, so we've done all that. The spark generator is working because we tested the lead out, so that's alright. I'm hoping I diagnosed it correctly. Can't say anything about that because we can't even get the boiler to ignite. So anyway, we got everything new now, and we're gonna sort that out, put that in, and fingers crossed it's gonna be working after that. Now while I'm here, I might just check the burner out. That looks okay, it's not cracked or anything. Nah, that's alright. Which is a good idea and a bad idea because now, I don't know where it goes. I'm gonna stand on these things to get to it. Right, let's carry. This. We've done all the clip tuning. That's all good. But the hard part is, right, when this gasket, see that this is all nicely shaped now, isn't it? Because it fits in. But when I put the fan on this, it's going to be a hard job. It can easily turn into a nightmare. But let's fingers crossed, yeah? I'm going to sort this out today. We've got it in. Hopefully. Make sure that's in at the back. So that's it. All you gotta do is tighten it up, and let's get these wires out of the way. Shit, it's in one place. There. There. That's there. And then we're gonna do is let's get this in first, and then. That's basically it, and we're just going to tighten, and then as you tighten it, shoot, there you go. And just spin it. This is why I need your ratchet one, man. Yeah, so this one there, this one there. Remember, I'm going to do the gas test on this as well, yeah? So, there you go, there you go. There you go, there you go, there you go. Bismillah. I'm not 100% sure on this one, either. Something's just not right about it. I just don't know what it is. We should make it, yeah. Right. Something, look at that. No wonder the burner pressure is low, yeah? So yesterday we weren't even getting any sparks. So now, we're going to put this back on, the gas valve, and hope for the best. Hopefully we'll have more gas coming through this time around. Right, so we've emptied the gas valve. Well, we took all the soot and gunk out of the gas valve, and let's test it in now. This is where I lose my tools on. Okay, go for it. So let's see if there's any more. Right guys, I've sorted it, yeah? That water's coming through and the burner's staying light. Do you know how much gunk there was inside this gas pipe? I had to take it up from here, from this elbow, right? And open the isolation valve and let loads of gas come through, and it cleaned all the soot that built up inside that pipe. And finally we got it after so much fighting with it, yeah? But it's sorted. Is it coming through? Yeah. Alright. Guys, it's all sorted now. It was a nightmare to fix. But anyway, we got to the bottom of the problem. So it wasn't sparking yesterday. We got the spark, changed the spark electrodes. We got it to spark, but the flame wouldn't stay on. So anyway, to cut the story short, the gas valve was full of gunk, soot. So took the gas valve, cleaned it out. It still wouldn't do it. Then disconnected the gas supply, the isolation valve. Opened the isolation valve, let so much gas come through and clean it all out. But it's working fine now, thankfully. I hope you enjoyed the video. Birmingham boiler fix.